that? Oh, okay. So today we have pork, mashed potatoes, rice and chicken, and green beans and ham. So first we're gonna start with the green beans because they look the most questionable. So
funny. I mean, it's got
very bland, not a lot of seasoning, no salt added to it, and the ham's basic, so like 5 out of 10 for that one. The rice.
Brady's gonna be so happy.
Again, bland with some flavoring, but it does have the gravy on it, so a 7 out of 10. Next we have the mashed potatoes. An 8 out of 10. You can't really mess up mashed potatoes.
It's a chicken wing
In the
with
pork.
I'm not taking it. Are you taking it? Yo, food reviews.
10 out of 10. It's pork, you can't mess it up. And then lastly, the dessert. And that's what I should have started. It's leftover oatmeal and apples. 11 out of 10. Horrible.
11 out of 10?
Horrible. Yeah.
It's horrible.
That's not how it works.
I know. Alright, I'm done.
1 out of 10, he meant.
1 out of 10, yeah. 1 out of 10.
You said 11? It's bad?
1 out of 10.
Alright, I'm done.